Alright, little driving preview of the Subaru. Just a test drive. As far as alignment, no hands on the wheel, hit the brakes. Goes nice and straight. AC is nice and cold. Nice and smooth, no steering wheel wobble or any of that. We are almost 60 already. Nice and smooth, no hands on the wheel, going straight. Still haven't touched the steering wheel. Oh, had to touch it. Stereo playing. Ride's nice and smooth. Good temperature. Running about 55. Nice little car.